Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over the problem with the new and latest iOS for your iPhone 6, iPhone 6s, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus. Okay? First of all, you guys still having experienced the same problem with the calculator? Most of the time, the new and latest iOS should be fixed that error already. So if not, you guys could go ahead and then update your to the new and latest iOS. Okay, this one is on the version 11.1. I mean 11.2.1. Okay, it is on the new and latest software. So there was a case about Apple. Apple admits there's a problem with the software update. It tends to make your iPhone, what I just mentioned, 6 to up to 7 plus. It causes your phone to lag. And this is my wife's phone. She has been experiencing either the phone got froze on the apps and also on the battery issues. Okay, when she was on 30 something percent and somehow it dropped down to like 6%. But when she plugged in her phone, it jumped back to like I think 18% or something around 20 something percent like that. So I know there's a problem with the battery. So even though we last time we already make an appointment and then went to Victoria Garden to fix her phone, unfortunately the offer wasn't there yet. I mean this discount for to swap out the battery. So they was telling us we need to pay $79 plus tax. And I just read the news feed. Instead of waiting until January, toward the end of January, now Apple is doing this battery swap for you for iPhone 6 and later. But I'm not sure it's for iPads users or not because they only mention for iPhones. But I'm pretty sure some of the iPad users are having a problem or issues as well. So anyway, we went to the Apple store and they have this special app that they sync it with your phone to troubleshoot what's going on with your battery and how many cycles that you have been charged with your phone. So this phone was about 400 something cycle, and then somehow on their Apple app it says the phone, I mean the battery doesn't have problem. So we end up coming home without fixing up the phone. The Apple representative told us to factory restore. But if you do that, you're gonna lose everything. So we might as well just wait for the. At first, we'll try to wait for the toward the end of January and then go back there instead of swapping the battery for 79 plus tax. It give a discount for $29. But somehow this phone was has been swapped out the battery one time already due to the recall. So this will be the second time that my wife swapping out battery for her phone. So it should be considered as a name phone. Well, if it's third time, then yeah, it should. So this is the second time already, and I don't know if the Apple admits that the software is causing this kind of problem or issues. I don't know why we still need to pay like $29 just to swap out the battery. So it's kind of ridiculous. With my Note 4, I know with my battery, it's dropped from 20%, I mean 30%, and then it shuts off. If your phone shuts off completely, that means the battery is giving up. Okay. I don't care what the Apple app says, the battery is still good because I experienced myself with my LG V10 and then my Note 4 battery. My Note 4 battery has been replaced the third times already because that phone has been 3 years old already, so more than 3 years plus. So I'm not sure for those manufacturers out there making it harder to swap out the battery. It is kind of pointless. Even the essential phone, when you swap out the battery, you're gonna damage the LCD. So I'm not sure what's the point of getting the phone that has a battery built in, and you cannot remove it in the future. Just like the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, the phone is made of water resistant, so everything is embedded with the screen. So once you remove that, the glue that is water resistant, your phone is going to become non-water resistant, even on the iPhone 10 or iPhone X. So hopefully Samsung and LG, they will kind of saying that they might go back to the removable battery. So we see about that, because the phone does not last forever, but at least it will last up to like 4 or 5 years at least. But if your battery is dead, less than a year or two, then what is the point of buying like a flagship device if your phone's going to die out and stuff like that? So it is pointless. By the way, another problem with the camera my wife was having is that when the battery is low and when she was trying to take the picture on like 30 or 25%, somehow her screen become frozen black screen. So we had to hard reset it by pressing the home button and then the power button or the wake button at the same time in order to reboot it. And when we plug in the charger, it shows only like 5 or 6% instead of the 25%. So I believe that Apple is having a faulty battery problem from the manufacturing. Some of the battery is not lasting as long as compared to other iPhone 4 or iPhone 4S or iPhone 5. So that's that. Please drop any other comments on below if you guys are having experience what kind of issue with your iPhone. Please drop it down below, and then please be sure to like the video, give a thumbs up, and then share this with your friend, family on social media. If they experience a problem that my wife's having, you could go to the Apple Store online and schedule an appointment. Unless you want to go and then first come first serve at their store. They also mentioned that if maybe you should go to like a Best Buy, the Geek Squad. I'm pretty sure they could swap out the battery as well there. I should do that and check it out myself for my wife. So I will call them up after this video anyway to see if they offer that. And then yeah, so subscribe, turn on the bell for notification, and share. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.